New generation of egg breakers. RX Mini Egg Breaker. Automatic feeder. Puts the eggs in optimal position for breaking. Innovative knife mechanism. Minimizes the risk of cutting the yolk during breaking. %99 egg breaking effectiveness. (6,400 eggs per hour). Functional chute. For broken yolk removal. Ovotech technology. Ensures efficient production and a clean end product. Breaking without separation. After the separator is removed, the machine allows for breaking without separating yolks from whites. UZS Eggshell Crusher. The RX Mini is fully compatible with our UZS Eggshell Crusher. The UZS Eggshell Crusher allows for 95% eggshell volume reduction. Compact design. The RX series egg breakers have a small, compact design and are easy for disassembly and reassembly. The egg breaker can be cleaned with running water. Or, in a closed water circuit with the use of pump. The RX Egg Breaker has an automatic, self-cleaning system. The pump forces a closed water circuit during cleaning. The machine can be washed with the use of detergents. A special rotating spray ball ensures precise cleaning of the machine interiors. The cleaning is simple and highly effective. Egg processing lines. Our egg processing lines come with an efficient egg washer and a UVC light disinfector, which kills bacteria and viruses on the eggshells. RX Mini Egg Breaker. New generation of egg breakers.